This April 22nd, voters in the Battleground School District will be asked to consider a replacement education and operations levy. If approved, this levy would replace an existing one that expires after this year. The levy provides funding for programs and services that affect students in every BGPS school. Voter-approved local levies help provide things the state doesn't fully fund, such as additional student safety, busing, special education, mental health and nursing, teaching and learning materials, sports, arts and music, and much more. Even as costs continue to rise, Battleground Public Schools has maintained the lowest local school tax rate of any district in Southwest Washington. If approved by voters, the replacement levy is anticipated to have a rate of $1.95 per thousand of assessed property value. The owner of a home currently assessed at $600,000 could expect to pay between $14 and $17 more per month starting in 2026. To learn more about the replacement levy, visit battlegroundps.org and be sure to vote on April 22nd.